How to block a contact on Samsung Galaxy S26 series. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then open up the phone application. Now from here, you want to go to Contacts. So tap on the Contacts tab at the bottom. In here, we go down the list and select a contact that you would like to block. For example, this contact right here. Then tap on the information button and then tap on more. After that, tap on block contact from the list. Then tap on block. And that's it. It is now blocked. You can see there is a block icon right next to the contact. You can also unblock it by tapping on more. Then tap on unblock contact. Now another way to block contact is to go into the phone application. Then tap on the more button at the top. Go down and tap on settings. In settings, tap on block numbers. And then in here we choose contacts. And from the list of contacts, select a contact that you would like to block. Then tap on done. And that's it. Now they're added to the block list. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.